What's going on, dividend chasers? Dividend Bloodhound here with another investing episode. This episode I should actually introduce it as Growth Chasers because this is my Trading 212 auto investing and pies growth portfolio. In auto investing my way to financial independence here in the UK. Sorry for the odd setup this month. We have a really bright sunshine, so I can't put my phone where I usually do because it was about to melt my iPhone and blind me in the process. And the washing machine is on in the lounge, and that will create an awful background noise for the video. So hence the slightly odd setup that we have here today. Anyway, I digress a little bit. Let's get on with the video and I will catch you on the other side of the intro. See you on the other side. Hey again guys, welcome into the episode. This is my Trading 212 auto investing growth portfolio update. Chasing as hard as I can financial independence right here in the UK. Since the last update, there's been a few things happen in the market. So Apple and Tesla have now both conducted their stock splits, and also Hyliion has over 100% doubled in its share price since the last review. I was just on the edge before last time. Now I've been up a maximum of 165%. It's now came back down a little bit to 120%. And on Tattooed Chef, I'm nearing 80% up I was at one stage. But we'll have a look at that properly when I get into the app. Do have a look at my individual episodes based on those stocks. A merger date has been confirmed for Hyliion, and a approximate date has been given for Tattooed Chef as well, or HMCI. I will drop another video as soon as we find out the date that merger is going to happen. My regular deposit of £100 from my funding circle account transferring across into the growth portfolio has taken effect, and that has been auto invested into my 11 positions, as you will see in the coming video when we swap into the app. Hopefully this video does bring you some value, and if you can, that would be amazing if you could smash the like button and even consider subscribing and ticking that notification bell as well to really support and help out my channel. That being said, I'm going to roll into the app now and I'll see you on the other side. Catch you in there. Hey again guys, welcome into the portfolio. So as you can see, my current portfolio balance is £1,696 for £1,601 invested, and a current return of £94.79p or 5.92% up. And then if you have a look over here, I've got £42 of free funds still to spend as I so wish. So I'm going to leave the pie section of the portfolio for now, and I'm just going to concentrate on the growth stocks that I've got currently. So at the moment we have Airbus, 2 shares, £15.42 up or 13%. Altria is still hanging on in there in my portfolio, not a growth stock but does pay a good dividend. I am looking to offload this one in the near future. 4 shares worth £131, £11.16 down or 7.81%. Alfria, the cannabis company, I have 12 shares in, currently worth £42, 62p up or 1.47%. Now we're into like the bad performing side of my portfolio. So Babcock International, I'm currently £17 down on or 43%, currently worth £22. We have Blink Charging, £20 for the 4 shares, currently down £4 or 16%. I need to average this one down. I have faith in this company long term. British Land Company, currently £39 for 11 shares, £19.62 down. Still being massively affected by the pandemic, so I'm 33% down on this one. Could do with averaging that one down so I can dispose in the near future. Deutsche Lufthansa, 2 shares in this one, held pre-pandemic, so got hit with the pandemic crisis that happened. Currently £10.26 down or 39%. Again, they have secured a bailout, so I've just got to be patient with this one. Forum Merger 2, this is one of the big ones that I was talking about getting into the app. So this is Tattooed Chef, Forum Merger 2, FMCI. is a big one to watch at the moment in terms of its growth. So I'm 60% up on it at the moment, or £35. And over the last 3 months or so, it's absolutely exploded from $13 odd a share right the way through to 24, and I'm currently 64% up. I might have said 80% pre-video. I certainly meant 60%, but we could move on to higher growth in the near future. We've got Invesco EQQQ ETF, currently 5.5% up on this one, £11, currently worth 216. And then we've got iShares Momentum Investing Europe, £1.67 up on this for the 8 units that I have in it at £55, 3%. We've got iShares Worldwide Momentum Investing, currently worth £41 for 1 unit, also £1.57% up, or £3.90, 3%, 3.97%, sorry, do apologise. We then have Occidental Petroleum, without doubt the worst performing stock that I have ever owned, 3.15%, 3.515 shares, £25.97, £64 down, or 71%. Not great for oil companies in the world at the moment. Then on the flip side of that, we have one of the more successful investments. So Royal Caribbean, I bought in right near its bottom, 2.35 shares, £53.85 up, or 78.33%. And then down towards the bottom here, we have Tortoise Acquisition, or Hyliion, currently £102 up on this one for my 5 shares, worth £180, 132% up. I was up significantly more at one stage when the price was up at $55 a share. Now we might see that return to that sort of price as we close in on merger date, which has been announced. That's going to happen towards the end of September. TUI is next, 11 shares, could do with averaging down this one. I expect the same sort of thing to happen as travel returns post pandemic. This price should jump back up again, currently worth £35.96, £6.74 down, 15% down. Next up is Under Armour. Don't quite have this share yet. It's a free share that somebody used my Trading 212 referral link. So you could get a share up to £100. This one is worth around $11, which isn't bad for free money. And if you use the link in the description below, you can also gain in this gain a free share up to £100. And last but not least, Virgin Galactic, 4 shares, £14.37 down, 20.87%, £54.48. A lot of faith in this company long term. I'm considering doubling my position to bring the average down and then wait it out long term as we actually get space tourism off the ground. Now moving on to the pie side of things. My pie is £19.23 up, or 4%, for £448 invested, and is well ahead on its goals at the moment. So if we pop back to there, you can see that I'm ahead of my goal of getting towards £1 million over 15 years. So if we get back into the actual holdings, so you can see I've got 11 slices, currently worth £467. I'm £2.50 up on Facebook, or 6.2%, 40 pence down, or 1% down on Microsoft, 30 pence up, or 0.7% up on Amazon. Apple, post their stock split, I'm currently down £2.44 on, or 4%. Not a great problem at all. I'd love to add more to this position. Tesla has recently bounced back. It nosedived quite massively after their stock split, but it's currently came back quite a bit. So I'm £3.72 up on these guys, or 7.32%. Alphabet, I'm 16 pence up on, or 0.41%, £39. Shopify, considerably down on, 7.8%, £2.97. Salesforce had a really good quarterly performance announcement, so that sent the share price flying almost over the space of an hour. So I'm £8 up on these guys, 21% at £46. Nvidia has reported similarly good results, so their share price is also reflectant of that, £6.95 up 18%. And then we have Adobe, also up 8%, £3, £40 in total. And then lastly, Netflix, just the 8p up or 0.2%. Really strong looking pie in terms of the growth. Can't wait to add more to these positions. I'm also considering opening a MasterCard position, so let me know in the description, not in the description, in the comment section, if you think I should add a MasterCard position to my pie. And then if we hop back, we can see just what Tesla's share price did over the last week or so. So in the last month, it nosedived from its peak when it split and the share price lowered considerably. I rebought my shares here because Trading 2124 sold them. They jumped all the way down to $330 a share here and have since recovered now to $450. My deposit didn't arrive in time for me to take advantage of this share price here, but I certainly bought in another £10-15 worth at about this sort of level, which brought my average down a touch, which I'm very pleased with, but I wish I could have got close to the bottom, but hey, that's investing. That wraps us up for this portfolio review. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do let me know what you think I should invest my spare £40 in the comment section below, and let me know if I should add MasterCard to my pie or not. I'm leaning towards definitely doing so, but do offer your opinion as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you back out in the outside world. Hey again, guys, welcome back to the real world. Hope you enjoyed my portfolio review there. As you can see at the moment, I've sort of got two portfolios running. I've got one that's actually high growth and has a track record of high growth, and then I've still got a few remnants of when this portfolio was a dividend portfolio / growth portfolio, and I didn't really know what I was doing with it. So I am doing my best to dispose of those guys when I eventually can. And you'll probably see that develop over the next few portfolio reviews as those positions become smaller, especially Altria. If it gets close to getting back to the price that I paid for it, or when I receive another dividend, I'll dispose of that one and reinvest the money into my into the pies, auto investing pies. The others like Airbus and Royal Caribbean, I'm getting really close to selling those guys on soon as well. I don't see a dividend return into Royal Caribbean anytime soon. I've made a considerable amount of money, and I think that money could be better invested in higher growth, higher potential companies, because I don't think there's going to be too much of a return to cruising anytime soon. And that is the same with Airbus. I have made some money, but I'm thinking that in the next year or so, 18 months, I don't think their share price will grow massively, and I think that money could be better spent elsewhere, but we'll see on that one. I haven't fully made a decision on it, and obviously there's some more analysis to be conducted there before I do move the money. At the end of the day, it won't be leaving the portfolio, it'll just be traveling from one stock to another to hopefully enhance my growth prospects. That being said, I'm going to wrap this video up there. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any opinions on what I've just said, or any stocks that you think I should add, and if you think that I should include MasterCard in my auto investing pie part of my portfolio. Hopefully, eventually, longer term, I will almost certainly just have the pies part of my portfolio, and I will just add to that over time because I have a lot of faith in those companies. And then if I spot the odd special acquisition company, I will take hold of that and get that going, so I can really fast track my growth in terms of that, and that'll be separate to my pies, of course. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It's been absolutely great to bring it to you again. If you can find your way to hitting the like button or subscribing to my channel, that'd be absolutely fantastic, and hopefully I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later. Bye bye.